Hey everyone! Today, we're making something light, airy, and beautiful. A delicate meringue roll, bursting with juicy strawberries, and smooth, creamy filling. Let's get started. First, separate 6 egg whites. Make sure there's no yolk. Even a drop can ruin the mood, and your meringue won't rise to the occasion. Add a pinch of salt. It helps the egg white proteins dissolve, so they whisk up better and hold their shape longer. Whip the egg whites until soft peaks begin to form. Now, slowly add 250 grams of sugar, a little at a time. Keep whipping until the mixture becomes glossy. It should hold stiff peaks when you lift the whisk. Now, here's the bowl with the meringue. Whip to a thick, stiff consistency. See how it holds its shape perfectly. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 25 grams of cornstarch. This helps stabilize the meringue and keeps it beautifully soft inside. Keep whipping until the texture thickens. Look at that smooth, glossy finish. You're doing great. When you lift the whisk, it should stand tall with stiff peaks. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. This keeps the meringue from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Now gently transfer the meringue onto the tray. Use a spatula to shape it into a neat rectangle. Take your time to smooth the surface evenly. This helps it bake consistently. Preheat your oven to 145 degrees Celsius. That's about 293 Fahrenheit. Let it heat fully before baking. Don't rush this part. Place the tray on the center rack. Once it's ready, bake the meringue gently for 30 minutes. That lower temperature gives it a crisp shell and soft, marshmallow-like center. Let the meringue cool partially in the tray, just enough so it firms up a bit. Then, carefully flip it over onto a fresh sheet of parchment paper. Gently peel off the original parchment paper. Take your time here to avoid cracks. Let the meringue cool completely before adding the filling. Meanwhile, clean the strawberries and cut them into small pieces. Not too big, not too tiny. Think bite-sized happiness. And yes, try not to eat half of them while chopping. No promises though. Let's make the filling. Cream cheese, whipping cream, and icing sugar. Whip the cream until smooth and fluffy. It's so light and dreamy. You'll be tempted to sneak a taste. But hold on, the magic's just beginning. Place the cream in the fridge to cool before using. Gently spread more than half of the cream over the meringue base. Use a spatula to spread it evenly from edge to edge. No rush. Take your time. This creamy layer is the heart of every bite. Add a generous layer of those fresh, juicy strawberries. Don't be shy. Pile them on. After all, life's too short for stingy fruit. Besides, strawberries make everything better. Even Mondays. Using the parchment, gently roll the meringue up from one side. Don't worry if it cracks. Those little imperfections add homemade charm. Once rolled, place the roulade in the refrigerator. This lets it chill, and for all those delicious flavors to come together perfectly. Use the leftover cream to decorate the roll. Spread it gently, like a soft blanket. Then, top it with fresh strawberry slices, adding that final touch of color and sweetness. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. There's more comfort and sweetness coming your way. And hey, thanks for being here.